Stop by and take a look at the 2016 GLC. The Mercedes-Benz GLC sets the bar for the luxury SUV, a midsize SUV that's all lean muscle and has a roomy new cabin full of style and substance and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.